If you want to get the most out of life, you need to be able to attract what you need, whether that is friends, money, or love. If you are struggling in any area of your life, consider using an attraction spell. An attraction spell is a way to gain what you need in life. That could be for friends, money, or true love. There are many different types of attraction spells, and it is important to do your research so you know what's right for you, or you can take professional help. In the video description, you can read the procedure to perform an attraction spell. Please keep in mind that always take help from a professional spellcaster before doing anything. If you're the kind of person who wants to perform attraction spells to bring the love of your life closer, then it's time to consult with Rubina. Spellcaster Rubina is a protection spells expert who can help you the love of your life closer. She has been casting spells for more than 20 years and always gets positive results. She can cast spells to protect you from negative forces, like curses, hexes, and magic spells. Contact her today for more information.